What's up guys, it's CraftyFoxe of the Minecraft Military Force, and today we're going to be building one of the most iconic vehicles of World War II, the workhorse in the American military during that time. So if you're building something from that period, definitely this build is essential. And this is known as the Willys Jeep. It's a 1/4 ton light military utility trucks with a variety of purposes. It also has off-road capabilities with 4-wheel drive. It's manufactured by Willys Overland and Ford. Over 600,000 of these were built, so they were quite numerous. And I have about 7 different designs I'm going to be showing you today. This is a new 2023 redesign on the Willys Jeep that Hyperdog and I made back in 2019. I updated the block materials and made it more accurate, adding in the covered up bottom section of the windshield. Before, we did not have that. All we had was like 3 glass panes, and now we have a full frame like that. And yeah, let's go over all the different variants. So this is gonna be your regular Willys Jeep. You know, headlights in the front. They got the grill, the windshield, the steering wheel, and you can sit down. If you sit down, you can actually see through like this, just like a Jeep. Or if you can't do that, you could just crouch down. You can see the same view. And then at the back, we also have a spare tire, and on the left we have a jerry can for fuel. And yeah, we also have some tail lights, I think. Now, an additional new type that we're adding, it's actually not that different. All we added was this wire catcher, and they actually employed this to protect against wire traps that Germans strung wires across roadways. Like if there was no windshield, maybe you get decapitated. Who knows? But I have not seen any pictures of that. Also, by the way, this has the US Army star right there. Alright, and then the next design, this is the same thing, but it also has a trailer in the back. So this is another attachment you can use to put in the back of the Willys Jeep to carry extra supplies, and then cover it up with a tarp. Then we have this version. This is where we put down the top, where the windshield is, just folded it down like that. And it's not that different. And then this one here, they actually put up the tarp all around the back section, just like that. And then this one, it has this radio antenna on the side, and we also covering up towards the front area, so you can have like more of these windows, so it's a little bit thicker. And the last version, this has a M2 Browning 50 cal machine gun in the back, and with the top down, because if you put the top up, it might hit the windshield. So yeah, that's pretty much it for all the versions. So now let's go build this. Alright, so we're gonna go layer by layer. So here is what the first layer looks like. It's just the slab here in the middle. Spruce signs like that. Got the wheels. We're using additional stair wheels, so the wheels are thinner than the old version. Fence gates in here. Got the axle right there. Slabs in the back. Trap door. The next layer we built more on top. Got the item frame with white stained glass block inside. The grill, the interior, and the back. And the next step, we're adding in the white star, just a pressure plate. Daylight detectors, trapdoors on the side, and the tire in the back, trapdoor right there, and then we're finishing off just like green carpet on top. And that's how you make the basic Willys Jeep. And to modify it to make the other one, you know, it's pretty simple. Just add that. I think that's self-explanatory. And to build this one, you just make this tarp. And for this one, we add in stairs, and this is a stripped oak log and an oak slab right there. Pressure plates, and we also had like great carpet on top. 50 cal. Here's what that looks like. Pretty simple. And for the trailer design, you just hook it up to the back part with this trap door, make a T shape, adding in the stairs like this, upside down, and then we add this part on top. And maybe you can leave it alone like this if you wanted to. And here's what it looks like with the tarp, just carpets on top. And yeah, that is pretty much it on how to make the Willys Jeep in Minecraft. If you guys found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe if you hadn't already, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.